Forex trading robot suitable for beginners. Stock trading is a sale and purchase transaction of ownership, certificates for a company or limited liability company. In the short term, generally, the short term in question can be seen from the daily market price. Stock trading is actually as popular and profitable as investing in stock. However, stock trading activities take more time to run. A trading robot is a system that runs stock transactions automatically using an algorithm so that users don't have to bother monitoring the stock market. Trading robots are indicator algorithms programmed to help analyze the market technically or graphically. That is, trading robots are limited to being tools that help traders keep prioritizing skills over tools. Utilizing existing technology is legal, but that does not mean we are complacent and let the tools work on their own without the direct supervision from us. In addition, there is no guarantee from any robot that can provide 100% profit, because surely every Forex trading robot application has several weaknesses which, if not clearly understood, can cause big losses.